Garden update. It's the end of April. It's hard to believe that my garden beds have filled in this much. Always surprises me. This is a Nora Barlow Columbine. It's one of my favorites. Nice little ground cover. The maple trees have littered their pods everywhere. The only negative about maples. Another pretty little ground cover. So, Fothergilla, named after a plant explorer, I do believe. This is money plant. This is bishop's weed. It is a horrible invasive. Don't plant it, but I do love the bloom, so I keep it. My pathway is back this year. You can actually see it. Daffodils are really starting to come in. We had a little bit of rain today. This flower bed had daffodils in it a little bit earlier. They've all bloomed out. Now the peonies are getting ready to come out. May is a big peony blooming month in Virginia, as are the iris. It's going to be really pretty. I have a few iris in bloom around in the yard. Cotoneaster. Flowering. Creeping phlox, I just love every year. Great little plant. It's a pretty little iris patch. It's another little patch that I have, and the white Japanese iris is so pretty. Check that out. And our Comfrey patch is really crazy. The bees love this. Solomon seal is quite pretty this time of year. This is variegated.